Good morning, class. Welcome to Vishnu Bhagwan e-learning app. Now, today we continue the same exercise 2.8. Some question are left, so we continue from question number 5. Class 7th exercise 2.8. Now multiply 0.008 by 450. So we apply here column method. First we multiply 0.008 by 0. So here comes 0, 0, 0. Put the cross here. Now multiply by 5. So 5 8s are 40. 0 here. 4 carry on 0. So 5 into 0 is 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 into 0 again 0. 5 into 0 0. Now 4 8s are 32. 2 here. 3 carry on 0. 0. 4 0 0 plus 3. It comes 3. 4 zeros are 4 zeros are 0. Again 0. Now add this. How much we get? Now in the first number here are 3 decimal places. Okay, and in the second number there is no decimal places, so just put the decimal before 3 digit 1 2 3. So your answer will be 3.6. Before the point there is no value of 0, and after the point there is no need to write 0. Okay, so your answer will be simply 3.6. and student, you just multiply by your own. Okay, don't copy from here. If by mistake I do any mistake fault, so if you multiply by your own, you can not do the mistake. Okay, or you can check it also. Now question number 7. A car cover a distance of 18.5 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance it cover in 7.5 liter of petrol? So solution is, first of all, in 1 liter of petrol, car cover how much distance? 18.5 kilometer. In 1 liter of petrol, car covers how much distance? 18.5 kilometer. Okay, 18.5 kilometer. Now in 7.5 liter, in 7.5 liter of petrol, car covers, just in 1 liter it covers this much kilometer. So in 7.5 liter, you just multiply 18.5 by 7.5. Clear? So 18.5 7.5, 5 5 the 25, 2 carry, 8 5 40, 42, 4 carry, 5 1 the 5 plus 4 9. Put across here, 7 5 the 35, 3 carry, 7 8 the 56, 56 plus 3 59, 5 carry, 7 1 so 7 plus 5 12. Okay, 5 25 to carry, 4 carry. So now here one decimal place, here also one decimal place, so total two decimal place. So your answer will be a car covers in 7.5 liter how much distance? 138.75 kilometer. Okay. Now second. Now the third one, eighth question. The cost of 1 meter wire is 6.75. Okay. The cost of 1 meter wire is 6.75 rupees. Find the cost of 24.6 meter of wire. You have to do the same. Okay. You have to do the same. 1 meter cost is 6.75. So how much the cost is of 24.6 meter of wire? Just multiply 6.75 by 24.6. Okay. Let's see the solution. Cost of 1 meter wire is rupees 6.75. Now cost of 24.6 meter wire will be, just multiply 6.75 by 24.6. Okay. Now this multiplication you have to do by your own. Okay. Now come here for the division. Exercise 2.9. How you do the division in decimal number. Okay. 5.75. Now here this is your dividend part and this is your divisor part. Okay. Here the divisor is of one digit number. So first of all you have to take one digit from the dividend. So in the table of 5 comes how much time? One time. So here we write down 1 5. Okay. Now we take this digit 7 here, but 7 is the part of decimal part. This is your decimal part. So 7 is a decimal part. So we put here decimal point. Now again 5 ones are 5, 2, take this digit. Now there is no need for decimal because you have already taken a point. So now just simply take this number here 5, it becomes 25. In the table of 5 comes how much time? 5 time. So your answer will be 1.15. Clear? Same here also. Now here the divisor is of one digit. If we take one digit from the dividend, we see that 3 is less than 4. It is not possible to divide this. So we take the second digit also. When we take the second digit is a part of decimal part. Okay. So first of all you have to start with the decimal. Now after the decimal point you will take the quotient. 4 8s are 32. This one cancel. First you take 1. Now 1 is less than 4. So you must take the 6 also. Now at a time you take 2 digit from the dividend. So you have to add here 0. Now in the table of 4, 16 comes how much time? 4 times. So your answer will be 0.804. 45.81 divided by 9. So 9 5s are 45. Here no need to put the decimal first because 45 is a whole part. So there is no need to put the decimal. Now we take the 8 here. Now 8 is a decimal part, so we put here decimal point. But 8 is less than 9, so we have to take this one also here. It becomes 81. So at a time we take how many digits here? 2. So we add 0, then we take 9. 9 9 is 81. So the answer will be 5.09. Now this one. This method I told you in the previous exercise that when you divide, when you multiply any decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, then the point will shift in the right side. Okay, but when you divide any decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, then the point will shift in the left hand side. So 59.2 divided by 10. Now the point will shift how much step? 1, because here 1 0 in 10 there is only 1 0. So the point will shift in the left side by how much step? 1 step. It will come this side. So it will become 5.92. अब यहाँ भी देख लेते हैं हम लोग 13.5 डिवाइडेड बाई 1000. अब यहाँ कितने स्टेप, यहाँ कितने ज़ीरो हैं? 3 ज़ीरो हैं. डेसिमल को जंप करने के लिए कितने पॉइंट चाहिए, स्टेप चाहिए? 3 स्टेप. 1 2, यहाँ तो 2 स्टेप है, तो आगे हम क्या करेंगे? 3 के आगे एक ज़ीरो ऐड कर लेंगे. ओके, तो इसके आगे आप पॉइंट में आगे ज़ीरो लगा सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. तो ये आंसर विल बी 0.0135. क्लियर? योर होमवर्क इज़, यहाँ कोई क्वेश्चन है, डिवाइड दे रहा हूँ. डिवाइड 26.2 डिवाइडेड बाई 10, 11.56 divided by 1000, and third one is 0.72 divided by 100. Okay, this is your homework. Just do it in your fair copy. Okay, this is your homework part. Okay, thank you class for watching this video.